Taksim Square, situated in Beyoğlu in the European part of Istanbul, Turkey, is a major tourist and leisure district famed for its restaurants, shops, and hotels. It is considered the heart of modern Istanbul, with the central station of the Istanbul metro network. Taksim Square is also the location of the Republic Monument, which was crafted by Pietro Canonica and inaugurated in 1928. The monument commemorates the 5th anniversary of the foundation of the Republic of Turkey in 1923. Following the Turkish War of Independence, the word Taksim means division or distribution. Taksim Square was originally the point where the main water lines from the north of Istanbul were collected and branched off to other parts of the city. This use for the area was established by Sultan Mahmud I. The square takes its name from the Ottoman-era stone reservoir which is located in this area. Another significant building that once stood on the square was the 19th-century Taksim Artillery Barracks, but it was demolished in 1940 during the construction works of the Taksim Gezi Park. Taksim Gezi Park is a small green park in the midst of the concrete expanse of central Istanbul. In 2013, the city municipality, wanting to demolish the park to add further shopping venues, began forcefully removing protesters who had set up camp in the park. After news spread of the police brutality, thousands of people rallied in the Occupy Taksim movement to stop the demolition of the park. As the current status of the demolition project is in limbo, the Justice and Development Party government has the police stationed in and around Taksim Square, ready with riot control equipment to deter any large demonstrations. Taksim is a main transportation hub and a popular destination for both tourists and residents of Istanbul. Istiklal Caddesi, in addition to serving as the main transfer point for the municipal bus system, Taksim Square is also the terminus of the Hasi Osman-4 Levant Taksim Yeniköy subway line of the Istanbul Metro. Taksim's position was given an extra boost on June 29, 2006, when the new Karbatars Taksim funicular line F1 connecting the Taksim metro station with the Karbatars tramway station and Sibasport was opened, allowing people to ascend to Taksim in just 110 seconds. Surrounding Taksim Square are numerous travel agencies, hotels, restaurants, pubs, and international fast food chains such as Pizza Hut, McDonald's, Subway, and Burger King. It is also home to some of Istanbul's grandest hotels including the Intercontinental, the Ritz-Carlton, and the Marmara Hotel. Taksim is also a favorite location for public events such as parades, New Year celebrations, or other social gatherings. Ataturk Cultural Center, a multi-purpose cultural center and opera house, is also located at Taksim Square. Across on the opposite side sits the long-awaited Taksim Square Mosque. The square has been an important venue for political protests during much of its existence. Groups from all sides of the political spectrum in Turkey, as well as many NGOs, try to demonstrate in this square in order to use its visibility for the benefit of their cause. Following many other violent incidents, all forms of group protests were banned in the square and the police units maintained a round-the-clock presence to prevent any incidents. The ban did not apply to surrounding avenues or streets. Today, Taksim Square is once again the starting point or destination of many political demonstrations. Moreover, mass meetings on Labor Day were permitted for the first time in 2010 and have been taking place peacefully ever since. However, gatherings for events such as New Year's Eve, Republic Day celebrations, or mass screenings of important football matches are excluded from the ban. The annual Istanbul Pride used to take place on the square as well. However, the event has been banned by the Istanbul governor since 2015. In 2013, protests took place in Taksim in opposition to the reconstruction of the Ottoman-era Taksim military barracks and a shopping center on the land plot of the Gezi Park. In the early morning of May 31, the police forces moved in on the demonstrators and people sleeping in tents, and tried to disperse them with tear gas, pepper spray and water cannons. The demonstrators also criticized Prime Minister Recep Tayyip Erdogan, who has held office for more than 10 years, for his uncompromising stance on this controversial issue and for the Turkish police's excessive use of force against the demonstrators. The large number of trees that were cut in the forests of northern Istanbul for the construction of the Yavuz Sultan Selim Bridge and the new Istanbul International Airport were also influential in the public sensitivity for protecting Gezi Park. According to official Turkish government data, a total of 2,330,012 trees have been cut for constructing the airport and its road connections, and a total of 381,096 trees have been cut for constructing the highway.